Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. It's going to be Matar Paneer. I have 1 cup Mutter. It's 14 ounce paneer, 400 gram. Olive oil for tadka, 1 fresh tomato, 1 onion, 1 green chili, 7 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. I'm going to put it in a food processor and I will make it smooth gravy. 1 cup water as needed. If you want running gravy, you can add more water. Tomato sauce, 1/4 cup. Cilantro, dhania and spices from masala dabba. Let's start making our delicious Matar Paneer. Get a kadai and we're going to start gas and keep the gas on high. I'll add 2 tablespoons olive oil. I'll add cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon. We're going to cook like a 10 seconds. I put it in a food processor, made it smooth paste. It's a good idea to use a screen splatter if you got one. They won't spray out on our countertops and also our camera lenses, they stay clean. Keep mixing and now we're going to cook our tadka really well. Tadka is nicely cooked. I will add all the spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri mirt, and we're going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices for 1 minute. Cooking our spices for 1 minute along with tadka. Tomato sauce, 1/4 cup, 4 tablespoons, and mix it well. And we're going to cook our tomato sauce along with tadka. Tadka is fully cooked and we're going to bring the gas to medium. On medium gas, cooking for 2 minutes. This is how the tadka looks. It's nicely done. I'll add water and mix it well. After adding 1 cup water, our gravy is pretty thick, so we're going to add 1 more cup water. If you want more running gravy, you always can add more water. I'll add peas. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on medium gas, cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes with the covered lid. I'm going to open it, mix it, add garam masala, 1 teaspoon, mix it well. Once the garam masala is nicely combined, I'll add paneer. This is what I did with the paneer. I cut into big chunks. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, on medium gas, cover with the lid. We're going to cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for another 5 minutes with covered lid. I'm going to start the fan and I will open it. Mix it well. This is looking perfect. I'll add dhania, cilantro, with coriander leaves. Mix it well. And I'll bring the gas to simmer. Cover with the lid and we're going to let it simmer for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on the simmer. I will turn off the gas. Our dish is all ready and I'll open it. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at delicious Matar Paneer. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy, very tasty and super delicious Matar Paneer di Sabji. Perfect vegetarian dish is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. Please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, if you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.